Welcome everyone. Question on inorganic chemistry. The products of the reaction are HCF6 plus SiO2 products. Choices are A. HCOF4 plus SiF4, B. HCOF2 plus SiF4, C. HCOF4 plus SiF6, D. HCOF2 plus SiF6. Answer is A. HCOF4 plus SiF4. The complete balance equation of this reaction is 2HCF6 plus SiO2 to 2HCOF4 plus SiF4. HCF6 cannot be handled in a glass vessel because it reacts with SiO2 present in glass. Thank you for watching this video.